Hi there, James Clack here from Active IQ. Just dropping you this short video message to let you know that we're super excited to introduce to you our latest development, the Active IQ Skills Hub. If you've been following our e-coms over the past few months, you'll have known that this was on its way. But if this is the first you've heard about it, well, we believe we're launching something really awesome. The Skills Hub covers 7 spheres or areas which we have created to help our centres, their staff, their learners, and to be honest, anyone who wants to develop their knowledge or practice within various areas of our industry. The 7 spheres are Qualification Launchpad, bringing centres and their staff all the latest information, updates, developments and resources to facilitate or help get them up and running with Active IQ qualifications as quickly as possible. We have Teaching and Learning, bringing our centres and their staff a range of tips, tools, activities and guides to help enhance teaching and learning practice and stimulate creativity in any teaching environment. We have Professional Career Development, supporting centres and their staff in upskilling to a highly competent workforce. Then we have Funding and Policy, keeping our centres and their staff up to date on all the latest qualification funding opportunities and policies surrounding this. We have our Chief Medical Advisor, our resident Dr. Dane Vishnabala, who continues to support our centres, their staff and learners via webinars, podcasts, blogs and Q&A sessions, which will cover a range of topics to include the latest developments, guidelines and best practice in health, well-being and clinical exercise. Then we have our Business and Marketing strand, a unique service that helps our centres examine and develop their existing business model and marketing strategy, helping their business to flourish. And finally, we have the Graduate Toolkit, a range of vlogs, blogs, podcasts and resources covering topical issues and talking points to help learners, or anyone for that matter, working within our sector to develop their practice and grow as a professional. It's just the start of this project and we'll be adding content all the time. So thanks for showing an interest and be sure to look out for regular updates to this service.